guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be filming a weekly vlog this week, and I feel like I haven't filmed a weekly vlog in ages, like literally ages, and I thought now it's come up to spring, I tend to do a little bit more in like spring, summer than winter, and I think January and February are just like the worst, most boring months ever, and I just didn't do anything throughout them months, so there was nothing really to vlog. But I thought now it's coming into spring and the weather's a little bit nicer, I definitely do more, so I thought I'd start doing a few weekly vlogs, not necessarily every week, but maybe every other week or just as and when I feel like vlogging. Today's date is Wednesday the 16th of March, so it is Wednesday, it's not like a Monday when I should be starting like a weekly vlog. But Monday I was working. Yesterday I just spent the day editing and getting stuff done, so it was quite a boring day to be honest. But today me, mum and my grandma are going to take the dogs on a walk. I think we're going to like a lake sort of place, like a boating sort of lake, and it's like by the sea, and it'll just be a cute little day out. So I thought I would vlog today, tomorrow, and then some of the weekend, because I'm working on Friday, so I'll film some of the weekend as well. And I thought, yeah, it'd be a cute little weekly vlog. So yeah, we're gonna head out now and take the doggies on a little walk, and then I don't know what else I've got planned for today. I've actually booked my theory test, so if you've seen my recent videos you'll know that I've been doing driving lessons, and I've booked my theory test. I'm not going to tell you when it is because I will probably fail it, but I have booked my theory test and it's coming up, and I definitely need to learn my theory because I've barely learned any, and it's coming up very soon, so I need to learn a bit of theory. I've got a video going live tonight, and yeah, that's pretty much my life today. So yeah, let's go. So we're just at the lake now, and of course when we got here it had to chuck it down with rain, so it's not the best weather, but I mean it's not awful, like it's not completely chucking it down, but it's just a little bit rainy. So we're just having a little walk around the lake and then we're going to go back to the car. But yeah, it's a cute little walk, it's a cute little lake, there's lots of ducks and geese and swans and everything, and the dogs are living their best lives. So
now say a word and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is
come on everyone, it's now the next day and I didn't film a lot yesterday. My camera actually died. I didn't do much for the rest of yesterday anyway, so I just thought I would pick up the camera this morning. So today I need to get ready and film a ZARA haul, which you should have already seen on my channel. So I'm going to get ready and film that, and then I think me and mum were talking about going for like a brunch this like morning slash early afternoon. I'm getting my nails done at 2:30. That's given me a little bit of time this morning to film a video and maybe go out for lunch and then get my nails done. Hey guys, I haven't updated you in ages, but I've just filmed my haul. I obviously got ready and filmed my ZARA haul, which is all filmed and done now, but typical. And it's been like the cloudiest, gloomiest sky ever as I was filming that video, and now it's like glorious sunshine. So that it'd be such better lighting if I filmed it now, but I've already filmed it, so that's just so annoying. So I thought me and mum were going to go out for breakfast in a second, but I just thought I'd quickly show you what I got in this month's glossy box, because I used to show everything that I got in my glossy box like every month, and I just haven't done it in ages, so I just thought I'd show you what I got in my glossy box this month. This is what I got in my glossy box. So I've got this, which is a mellow and marsh vanilla marshmallow bar coated in milk chocolate. I then got this, which is a microfiber cleansing cloth wipeout. It feels so soft. I think these are the cloths that you just wet and then you don't have to use any products or anything, which yeah, I love these, so I can't wait to try this. Then I got this, which is the thing I found the most interesting. So it's a mood changing pH lipstick. So basically I think it changes colour to different skin tones, and I don't know, I really don't know how it works, but I think it basically just looks like a different colour on everyone, which I just find so interesting. This is from the brand Kinder, not Kinder, but like that's the packaging, Kinder, I'm not sure, but that looks really cool. Then I got this James Read Gradual Tan Sleep Mask Tan Body. So I'm guessing it's like a gradual tanning lotion, which I always love a gradual tanner rather than like a mousse tan. I always used to use like a mousse, but nowadays I just like a more gradual tan because I hate the feeling of having like tan on my body. So I love this and I can't wait to try that. Then I got this illuminator. This is natural, vegan and eco-friendly, and it's like a pinky illuminating drops. This is by the brand Elikia, I don't know how to say that, but this looks really nice. I love illuminating drops and things like that, so it looked really nice with like a blush. And then finally is this bubble tea peony and cherry blossom restoring shower gel, and I love a shower gel. I love being stocked up on shower gels and stuff like that. So yeah, that's everything I've got in my glossy box this month. So yeah, me and mum are going to go out for brunch. It's more of like a lunch now because what time is it? It's 12:30. So yeah, we're going to go out for brunch, and I'm really excited because we're going to this little cafe that a lot of people have like recommended to me, that's in like my town, and it's very up my street, it's very my vibe, so I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna get like an acai bowl or something because you all know I love them. And then after that at 2:30 I'm getting my nails done, so my nails are very in much of a need of an infill, but I've realised I'm only getting my nails done like 2 or 3 times before I go on holiday, which is so exciting, which means holiday nails will be coming very soon. Arrived at the little cafe, and me and mum have ordered this little drink. I absolutely love it. It's a little smoothie. What is it? What's in it? Oh, the thing's gone. Banana. Why is it blue? Blueberries?
No, that's blue.
Spirulina. Yeah. On the straw it says "You okay, hon?" I love that. Oh, it's nice. Delicious. Okay, food has arrived. So I got a little smoothie bowl. I really can't remember what's in it, but it was like coconut and mango, I think. Banana. Yeah, just nice things in it. But I love the colour, it's blue, it matches my little smoothie. And then mum got avocado and poached eggs on toast. Delicious. Me and mum went to a charity shop because there's a charity shop in town that has like loads of ZARA stuff in it, and they also had a lot of H&M, so I picked up some shorts, which I'll show you later because I can't bother doing it now. But I picked up some shorts which were originally from H&M. They're like brand new and everything. What are they? They're like
seconds.
Seconds.
Like, yeah, damaged stock.
Yeah. So I picked up some shorts, and I'm now on my way to get my nails done. We're very late because we've been stuck in loads of traffic, but yeah, going to get my nails done. I think I'm gonna get some, like, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna get because I probably don't have enough time, but I wanted some like brown tips. You'll not like that because you didn't like that. It looks like you've got dirty nails. Yeah. I just think they look really nice, but we'll see what we've got time for. Hey everyone, it's a lot later on in the day. I've actually got my ring light on behind you because it's literally like pitch black outside now. It's currently 7 o'clock and I had my nails done. She finished around 5 o'clock, I want to say. So these are the nails. I actually love them. But when I got back, I filmed some clips for my ZARA haul, so I wanted to do some like mirror try on clips, so I did a few of them and I filmed a few TikToks and bits for like reels and things like that. And that's it for the day now. It's 7 o'clock and I'm gonna go downstairs, have some tea, sit and chill for the rest of the night, and yeah, I'll probably pick up the camera again on Saturday because tomorrow I'm at work all day and that's not fun for anyone. So I won't have a chance to film anything tomorrow, but I'll pick up the camera again at the weekend and carry on this little weekly vlog. Hello everyone, it's now Saturday and I said I would vlog today because obviously it's the weekend. So I'm now with Ben.
Hello.
Hello. And we're on our way to Formby Beach, which is our like absolute favourite beach. We always go there, and it is the nicest, sunniest day I've ever seen this year so far. And I've dressed for summer. We're going to the beach, we're gonna chill at the beach. We've been to the shop and got some little snacky bits for like a picnic, and I brought my picnic blanket and we just had a nice little day at the beach. Okay, we're at the beach now. It's actually really warm, isn't it? Isn't it?
It's lovely.
Sunbathing. I've pulled my dress down so I can wear it like that so I can get a little bit of sun, but it's actually so warm and nice. We've decided to sit in the sun, in the sand dunes because it's a little bit more sheltered. I can't believe it's March and we're like sunbathing. I mean, it's very windy.
It's not that bad.
And the sand keeps like blowing on us, but it's alright in the sun. I think it would be a lot windier if we were down there.
Yeah, we're quite cool.
Yeah, but this is our view. Sun shining. We're just in the sand dunes. It's actually so pretty. It's like not quite Cornwall, but kind of, if you just close your eyes, it feels like you are in Cornwall. No, not as bad as that. The water's not as turquoise, but
it is blue.
It's blue, it's not brown completely. It's because it's more muddy. I don't know why it's more muddy here.
Because there's lots of marshes around the...
Is that what it is?
Yeah, there's no like cliffs.
No, like...
Well, there's obviously coast.
Sand.
But
No, but this is like the most sand that there is up north, I feel like. This is the only beach that's got proper sand.
It's like, so my village...
Like it's a proper like sandy sand
marshes.
dunes.
There's no sand.
No, I know. But there's no sand dunes there.
No, whereas in Cornwall, if you had a village that goes to the sea, it'd be like...
on the cliffs.
Yeah.
No, but like this is the most Cornwall-y beachy place. I love it. So yeah, we're just gonna chill here. We've got a few snacks in my bag. In there. Some fruit, and we're just gonna have a bit of a picnic and enjoy the sun, really. Because it's like the first day of the year that it's been like warm, and I think it's all week it's gonna be like 16,
degrees.
17, 18 degrees.
On Wednesday.
Yeah, which is amazing. So, and I think next month it says it's going to be like 30. It's going to be like 28 degrees in April, which is absolutely crazy. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we moved spots because I think we said before that it was really windy. It ended up being very, very windy, and I've literally got sand everywhere, like literally in my scalp. I think it's gone in my camera lens as well, and like the little, what are they called?
Shutters?
Yeah, like the shutters on the lens won't shut, so that's great. But yeah, it's very, very windy. So we found another spot that's a little bit, I mean, as I say that, it's like really windy, but it's a lot better than where we were sat, because before it was like we were getting wind from like every angle. So I think we're just gonna sit and chill, and don't know how long we're gonna be here. We did say till 6 o'clock, but I can't see that happening.
5:30.
5:30? 2 hours?
Give another hour and a bit.
Okay. Hey guys, I've just been editing this video back and realised there's no ending as usual. I'm so useless with ending these vlogs. So I'm here to end the video. It's now Thursday and I did say I was going to film Sunday, but I don't think I ended up doing anything. I think, to be honest, I spent the day just doing like YouTube stuff and sorting my videos out, so it was not an interesting day to film anyway, so you didn't miss out on much. But I realised in the video I said I'd show you the shorts that I picked up when I was with mum in town, and I picked some shorts up from a charity shop, so I've got them here to show you. So they're just these gorgeous little shorts. They're originally from H&M and I got them for £3.99 because they're like a store reject, like seconds from a shop. They have a little hole in them here so that obviously the shop can't sell them on, so they go to this charity shop which then sell them on for cheaper. And I just thought they were really nice. Like, they're such nice material for holiday and just in summer. I can wear them with like a bikini and stuff. I just thought they were really nice, so I thought I'd show you these because I did say I was going to show you and then I never did. But yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this vlog, and I've got lots of vlogs coming up very soon. I think I'm going to vlog this weekend because it's going to be really nice weather, and a little bit of next week as well. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. That means so much to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.